How to use history in Photopea. If you don't know how to use history in Photopea, just ensure that you watch this video to the end. Now, the first step is to log in into your Photopea account. Once you've logged in, select the project that you like to work on. Now, once you selected the project you like to work on, and then you are on the canvas page, you'll see different options by the left side of the screen. That is the icons such as move to the let's select magic wand, crop, clone tool, zoom, etc. And then by the right side of the screen, you would see different options as well, and then you will see the option history. Right next to history, you see swatches, which includes color in which the project page can be displayed, and then under it you would see different tabs such as the layers tab, the channels tab, the parts tab. Now each of these, you can edit this project by clicking on each of the layer to work on that particular layer, and then you can just keep on working your project. Now for you to use history is to move to the right section of the screen and then select the history section. All right, once you've selected it, you'll see different things that you've done on your project thus far. That's the meaning of the history. All right, it stores every single step you take on the page. All right, when you opened the page, that was open stand for when you change the opacity, when you use the ellipse, or this differs depending on what you did. These are the things I've done on this project page. That is why it is displaying all of this, and then you can just click on it to see, to click on each of the history to return to that particular page. All right, so you can see once you click on it, the effects, as you can see. So that's just it. So you can click on it this way so you can go back to the previous thing you did on Photopea. So this is how you can use history in Photopea. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.